What's up? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about how to sell on GOAT in 2020.
Your tracks today.
Stay dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way to say goodbye.
Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be listing these on GOAT. Very simple. It tells you what to do on the app, but I'm just making a video. See if anybody's confused or anything. I was just trying to put it up, trying to help whoever can. And yeah, just let's get straight into it. This is basically the Go app, you know the Go app, and now you're gonna click on sale, and you just click up top, sell your sneakers. If you don't have anything listed, all of these should be 0. You click sell your sneakers, and you type what shoes you're trying to sell. Today I'm trying to sell Air Force One. Look, read the title. Read the title. See if it's the exact same one. I don't know why it does that. But if this is I'm using Android right now, so if you're on iOS, it might be different. Who knows? But yeah, it might be different. Well, that's good. And click use. These are 8.5. These are 8.5 that I'm selling right now. Click next. What condition the box is in. My box is in pretty good condition because I don't know, in shipping it didn't get too damaged or anything. So you click good condition, then you click next, and it's gonna ask you like if there are any issues with the shoes, like if there's like yellowing. It's just gonna list, and you just basically follow the directions, and it just tells you what's up. And you tell the app what's up. And yeah, my shoes are in pretty good condition, as you can see. I usually clean them after every time I wear them. I don't know, I just like to keep my shoes for a long time. So there's nothing wrong with my shoes. I'll give them like an 8 out of 10 in quality and like how good I've taken care of them. And click next, no defects. And you just choose how much you're trying to sell it for. They have to take a fee, they have to take a fee 9.5% of the whatever you make. So if I list them for 90, I'll be making 76. And yeah, everybody has to make money. So click next, and this is where we start. We start taking photos. Show the shoe tag. I was confused in the first time, but it's just this. Like literally, it's just the tag in the shoe. I thought when you buy from StockX or if you buy from StockX, they have that little tag on the shoe, that little green tag. I thought that's what it was, but I was being a little slow, huh? Yeah. So you just take a photo of it. Let me just try to get a good photo here. You gotta get a good. They don't have a flash button in here on Android, so I have to use my own personal light. You go to the next photo, and it says lay the sneakers flat and photograph. So you just have the shoe. If I can just get these right, you just have the shoe in the position that they have it laid out on the app. You just take the photo. Boop. And I recommend like something decent in the background, not like junk or anything like that, but I just have my carpet, and you just flip them around to the other side, the other shoe as well, and now you just take the photo as well. I try to line them up like it has on the app. Try not to put my feet in it. Let me just retake it. Boop. Next, take the next photo is taken on top of the shoe, and boom. Super simple. They tell you all the directions and all that. They made it really simple now. And now take the back of the shoe and get a better light. There it goes. Stack the sneakers sideways. Take a photo. So they mean just like take the shoes, lay them like this, and now take a photo. See, these lights are really helpful. The first time I did this, the first shoes that I sold are the What Does, and I just didn't have this light set up. And please ensure the photo actually shows the box condition. So now you gotta show the box condition of the box. So basically how they want it is kind of like this. So boom. Any extra photos that you want to take, you can take them. So I'm just gonna take extra photos of the boxes. The box, and just boop. If you just want to add any extra photos of the shoes, if you want to add some extra photos of the shoes, you can, and all that stuff. So that's basically just take all the photos, and yeah, it should take like 10 minutes max. And this is the preview on how it looks, and everything's all right. You see if everything's okay, and then you just click submit basically, and that's it. It's done. It's up. So, but sometimes, like what happened with me, because the shoe tag was my problem the first time I listed. It was a problem for me because I didn't know what the shoe tag was, but I figured it out. And basically, Goat sent me an email saying that they took my listing down, and they're telling me like what's wrong with it and all that stuff. So I got that situated. I sold the first shoes for about what, $240. I made $212. I lost some profit because I bought it for like $225, but it's whatever. But yeah, very simple. You know, super simple, super easy to do. Anyone can do it. And yeah, I was just trying to make a video really quickly showing what's up and how to do it. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. And have a good day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, you know, all that stuff. Peace out.
Like and subscribe. 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 Like and subscribe.
I'm just gonna just follow along, or Jesus.